Supreme Court stays Allahabad High Court's inhuman remarks on rape attempt cases. The Supreme Court has strongly criticized the Allahabad High Court's March 17 ruling in a rape attempt case, staying the judgment and expressing deep concern over its handling. Justice B.R. Gavai, leading the SC bench, has pointed out that the HC's remarks showed a complete lack of sensitivity, particularly in assessing the trauma suffered by the minor victim. The case involved an accused charged with attempting to rape a minor girl. However, the Allahabad High Court, while acknowledging the victim's trauma, controversially ruled that the accused lacked intent to commit rape. This conclusion raised widespread alarm, with legal experts and activists condemning the judgment as dismissive of the survivor's suffering. During the hearing, Justice Gavai remarked that what made the HC's order even more troubling was that it was not an offhand remark made during proceeding but a written and considered judgment. It is shocking that such observations have been made in a case involving a minor victim. This demonstrates a complete lack of judicial sensitivity, he stated. The SC bench, also compromising Justice Sanjay Karol and Sandeep Mehta, took serious note of the language used in the High Court order. The Apex Court emphasized that courts must adopt a survivor-centric approach while adjudicating such cases and should not trivialize sexual assault by questioning intent when the evidence clearly suggests otherwise. Legal experts and child rights activists have welcomed the Supreme Court's intervention. Many argue that judgments like these reinforce victim-blaming narratives and set a dangerous precedent for the future cases. Senior advocate Indira Singh called the Allahabad's HC's reasoning deeply flawed and a violation of a protection of children from sexual offences, that is POSCO Act, which mandates a strict approach toward crimes against minors. Activist Ranjana Kumari from the Center of Social Research stated, when a minor is subjected to an attempted rape, the trauma itself is proof of intent. The judiciary must ensure justice for survivors instead of diluting the gravity of such crimes. Acknowledging these concerns, the Supreme Court has stayed the Allahabad HC order and directed a fresh hearing of the case. The top court has also indicated that it may set guidelines to prevent insensitive judicial remarks in cases of sexual violence, particularly those involving minors. Justice Mehta noted our courts must be cautious with their words. Such judgments not only harm the survivor but also weaken public confidence in the legal system. With the HC's intervention, there is a renewed hope that the legal system will take a more survivor-centric approach in sexual assault cases. The stay on the Allahabad High Court's order is a crucial step toward ensuring that justice is not undermined by judicial insensitivity. As the case proceeds, legal and human rights experts anticipate that the SC's ruling will set a precedent for handling similar cases with the sensitivity and seriousness they deserve.